Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Rondo. We're going to be looking at how to construct perpendicular lines on GeoGebra. So I have the task open right now. If I scroll down, there are directions that will walk me through what to do, including the very first direction, which is right here. Click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the page, select Open in App to create perpendicular lines, following the steps below. So click the three dots. So I'm going to go up to the corner and click the three dots. Open in App, and that will get me to my tools so that I can actually do something with the picture. So now that I have that open, I'm going to go back to my directions. And I'm going to go to the first one. At a point on the line that is farther from point A than the middle, it should get labeled C. So farther from point A than the middle. So the middle would be about here. I want it to be farther away from A. So I'm going to move it a little over there. So grab my point tool, point. Here's the middle, somewhere over here, farther from A. I'm just going to click point. Great. And it did get labeled C. Fantastic. Okay, then I'm going to go to use the compass tool to measure from A to C, which is the new point, then center the circle at A. Okay. I'm going to turn on my little thing here so we can follow my directions maybe a little more closely. So I'm going to go to my compass tool. I'm measuring from A to C, and then I'm going to center it back at A. And I'm going to actually zoom out a little bit so that we can see all this a little bit better. Perfect. Okay, back to directions. Then I'm going to copy the action in number 2. Use the compass tool and measure from A to C, but this time center the circle at B. All right. So compass tool, I'm going to measure from A to C again, but this time I'm going to center at B. Perfect. Then use the point tool to mark the 2 points where the circles intersect. So I want to see where one circle crosses the other. So those 2 points would be here and down here where these 2 circles cross. I'm going to grab my point tool and put in a point. It doesn't matter which one is D or which one is E. So you could do D and E either way. Okay. Then use the line tool to connect these 2 points, D and E. So back over here, line tool to connect, line tool, there we go, to connect D and E. And there you have completed perpendicular lines, perpendicular bisector, which makes perpendicular lines. Nice job. Oops.